Another quality job proudly completed by Skyview Exteriors, your local, family-owned roofing company serving Rhode Island. We're known for top-tier residential work, but we're also trusted for commercial roofing Rhode Island businesses can rely on, just like this one. This North Smithfield commercial property needed serious attention. While many think commercial roofs are always flat, this building actually had a sloped roof with worn-out asphalt shingles. And yes, Skyview Exteriors handles both shingle and flat roof systems, making us a go-to for commercial roofing contractors Rhode Island-wide. The roof had significant wear that put the building's integrity at risk. Our team stepped in for a complete commercial roof replacement. As one of the most dependable Rhode Island commercial roof companies, we developed a customized solution using high-quality asphalt shingles built for performance, protection, and visual appeal. We removed the failing roofing system, inspected and reinforced the decking, and installed brand new architectural shingles designed for long-term durability. The process was streamlined and safe, with minimal disruption to the business's daily flow. Whether it's Rhode Island commercial roof replacement or maintenance, we bring the same level of care every time. Need asphalt or flat commercial roofing in Rhode Island? Call Skyview Exteriors today. Trusted, local, and experienced. Your partner in commercial roof repair and replacement.